I decided to release my cover of Dancing Queen by ABBA.
You're the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17.
And I guess one of the freedoms of being a musician that also does photography is that I can do really interesting concepts and not just do like the basic thing that every like independent artist does. So yeah, I decided to try and do something cool with the artwork, and I thought, yeah, dancing queen, dancer. And yeah, so I reached out to a few people that I knew did a bit of dance and stuff, and this amazing girl Penelope, we've shot together before, we did some really cool stuff around Shoreditch. She was like, yeah, I know ballet, I've not done it in years, but I was just like, yeah, let's give it a go, let's see what happens. She still had her pointy shoes, so I was like, cool, let's go for it. I've been doing a lot of street shoots recently, so it's cool to kind of infuse some of this style that I'm kind of forging for myself with the more classical element that ballet brings to it. But yeah, we just had a bit of fun. I said to her, like, it's more than likely going to end up being just a shot of like the pointy shoes, and I don't want to take the piss and ask you to come all the way down for that. So I said to her, like, when we're done doing that, let's just have a bit of fun. We'll do a different outfit and do just some standard fashion stuff. And honestly, the vibes we got were so sick.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie.
She has a really cool fashion sense and her poses are on point. So yeah, it was really just fun, and we were just having a laugh and just got some really cool bits. My favorite was probably right at the end. There was like literally discarded furniture that someone was throwing away, and it just made the most amazing set, and I was like, we had to get it. Honestly, this takes the ugly location challenge to a whole new level, like actual discarded furniture. And that was pretty much the day. Everyone went home happy. I got the cover shot. I ended up choosing this one, but to be honest, it could have been so many. There were so many good shots that it could have been, but honestly, I'd still be there choosing if I didn't stop myself. So yeah, ended up going with that one. Love it. It's up now. It's on iTunes and Spotify and literally everywhere else. So yeah, check it out. Check out the song and tell me what you think of the artwork. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already, because this channel is slowly growing. We're slowly getting there. I think I just went past 100, so that's cool. Getting there. But yeah, guys, take care. Stay blessed. Mwah. Too sweet.